Congratulations, you've ordered the GTS 2000 from Global Trash Solutions. A powerful, modern, and efficient trash compactor. The GTS 2000 and included lift cart will arrive on separate pallets. Arrange for delivery of your GTS 2000 on a flat surface next to a curb. This will allow for a safe and stable transfer off the pallet. You will need tin snips, box cutters, a drill with Phillips head bit, and protective eyewear. Remove the packaging. Make sure your protective eye gear is on to cut the binding snaps around the unit. Remove the wood blocks holding the wheels. Inspect the unit for damage. And then unlock the locking casters by snapping them into the raised position. Again, we recommend 2 people to carefully move the unit into position. When deciding where to install your machine, keep in mind that the machine has a footprint of 36 inches in width and 78 inches in height. You'll need at least 60 inches of clearing from the back of your compactor to the doors during loading and unloading. Global Trash Solutions follows ANSI, or the American National Standards Institute for Safety. Be extra careful to keep your hands clear while using the compactor. Do not operate this machine until fully instructed by a supervisor, and it is prohibited for anyone under the age of 18 to load, unload, or operate the GTS 2000. Before powering up the unit, let's review the 3 built-in safety features. The e-stop is the red emergency stop switch, located directly below the number keypad. To stop the machine, push the red button. All functions of the machine will come to a complete stop. To start again, manually rotate the red stop switch to the right. Magnetic door sensors are designed to detect whether the load door and/or the lower door are not shut properly. If they are left open, these sensors will prevent the GTS 2000 from compacting. Locking casters are located on 2 of the GTS 2000 wheels. The locking casters prevent unwanted movement and are locked when in the down position. Now it's time to power up the unit. The GTS 2000 requires a 110-volt 20-amp dedicated line with a 20-amp receptacle outlet. Plug it into the 20-amp receptacle. Release the lower door latch and open the lower door. Remove the manual, PVC pipe, and box containing 2 50-count rolls of waste bin liners for you to store for future use. Using the PVC pipe, install 1 roll of liners in the cradle located behind the upper door. The phone number to reorder bags is on the inside of the upper door. Get to know the keypad known as the Programmable Logic Controller, or PLC. The up and down arrow buttons will move the compactor plate in those directions, respectively, as long as it is maintained or until the travel limit is reached. The compact key is located on the 1 button. Press and release this button to launch the automatic compaction cycle. The compactor plate will move down, pause for 5 seconds, and return to the top. The clean key is located on the 3 button. Press and release this button to launch the clean cycle. The compactor plate will travel halfway down and prompt the operator to begin cleaning. Make sure to clean the unit daily in order to maintain the warranty. After cleaning the plate and closing the door, the compactor plate will automatically rise to the ready position. Enter the numerical PLC code 1194 and then press enter. Your unit is now ready. Let's load the unit and compact some trash. Use the load door latch at the top of the load door to open it. Then place the trash in the waste bin. Once the trash is in, close the load door and then push the automatic compact button, number 1 on the PLC. This will start the compaction cycle. Repeat with the next bags of trash until the unit is full. Please keep a limit between 1 to 3 trash bags per compaction cycle to maximize compaction and cleanliness. When the GTS 2000 has reached maximum capacity, the PLC will read trash full, empty bin. Before emptying the unit, ensure that the front 2 locking casters are facing outward at a 45-degree angle and are locked down into position. Open the lower door by releasing the lower side door latch on the bottom right-hand side of the compactor. Pull outwardly on the handle to unlock. Position the lift cart arms at the height of the lift cart channels on the bottom right and bottom left-hand sides of the stainless steel waste tray. Rotate the hand crank in a clockwise direction to lift the waste bin from the bottom of the compactor. As the waste bin is raised, The waste bin will lock itself into place on the lift cart arms. Once locked into place, wheel the waste bin out of the compactor. Tie the excess bin liner material together to prevent spillage of waste in transport. Remove the waste bin sleeve from the waste tray. Upon arrival at the waste container, ensure that the waste bin is properly engaged to the lift cart. The operator should be standing directly behind the lift cart. Use the foot plate and handle to stabilize, while turning the hand cart assembly in a clockwise direction until the waste bin is lifted above the opening of the waste container. Find the dump lever in the rear of the lift cart and pull it, allowing the trash to fall into the waste container. Replace the hard plastic waste bin sleeve, making sure the side without the lip on the edge is facing the lift cart, and prepare to install a new waste bin liner. Remove a liner from the liner storage rod in the top compartment of the machine. Place the liner into the waste bin, ensuring that the liner is completely inserted into the inner corners of the waste bin. This will prevent any damage to the liner that may occur as a result of the pressure created when compacting trash. Create a cuff with the excess material on the outside of the waste bin without pulling any of the liner material from the bottom. Roll the lift cart into the compactor, inserting the waste tray and bin inside. Lower the waste tray into place by turning the hand crank counterclockwise until it reaches the bottom of the compactor. Pull the dump lever to disengage arms from the lift cart. Once the arms have disengaged from the waste tray, the lift cart is safe for removal from the compactor. Close the main door and lock the latch on the right-hand side. You're now ready to begin a new compaction cycle.